Hello everyone and welcome back to Speak Like a Leader. I'm Paula and today we're diving into the world of business memos. Did you know that the longest memo ever written was over 100 pages long? Thankfully, you don't need to write a novel to get your point across. In fact, learning how to write clear memos in business English is all about being brief and clear. So let's uncover how to make your memos both clear and engaging with some fun tips and tricks to keep your readers interested. Today we're going to be looking at business memos that get straight to the point, because many memos are very descriptive and they're very long and nobody gets to read them. So let's understand how we can achieve that and also go through some fun facts to teach us how to write the perfect business memo. Clear memos are crucial. Miscommunications cost companies billions each year. Clear messages help save those dollars. Clear memos reduce follow-ups by 40% and can speed up decision-making by 50%. Plus, people judge your communication skills in the first 7 seconds of reading. So let's make those seconds count. A well-structured memo is key. So, well-organized documents are 30% more likely to be read in full. Your memo should have a clear header, opening body, and closing. Think of it like a sandwich. The header is the top bun, the body is the filling, and the closing is the bottom bun. And nobody wants a messy sandwich. Crafting the header is like setting up a great first impression. Did you know that 72% of recipients open memos with specific subjects? So make sure to list the recipients. From includes your name or department, and date should be current. For the subject, be as specific as possible, like office holiday party on December 15th. Think of it as the headline of a great news story. The opening of your memo should grab attention because most readers prefer when you get to the point quickly. Start with something like, "This memo outlines the new remote work policy." Engaging openings can increase reader engagement by 40%, so make it count. No one likes a long-winded introduction. Details do matter, but keep them organized. 87% of readers process information better with bullet points. Keep it concise, because people skim about 60% of the content. They don't read it thoroughly. And of course, avoid jargon, because half of the people find it confusing. Use headings and bullet points to make your memo a breeze to read. In the closing, a quick recap can make a big difference. Summarizing can improve retention by 30%. Clearly state any actions or deadlines. Clear instructions can boost compliance by 25%, and providing contact information can increase response rates. It's actually like leaving a friendly note at the end of a great conversation. Watch out for common pitfalls. Overloading information is like trying to carry too many groceries. Everything falls out. So ensure each point is clear and avoid lengthy paragraphs. And don't ignore your tone. Keep it professional to avoid misunderstandings. Think of it as balancing a plate. Too much clutter can make it hard to enjoy. Now here are some effective memo examples. For clear and direct memos, you can write, "Office closure on July 31st. The office will be closed for maintenance on July 31st. Please ensure all urgent matters are addressed before then." For a concise and informative memo, you could say, "Updated dress code policy. Effective August 1st. Business casual attire is required. Please ensure that you comply to the policy. Details are in the attached document. These examples keep things straightforward and to the point. And here are some useful expressions for your memos. For informing people, you could start with, please be advised that. When requesting action, you could say, we request that you follow these guidelines. For clarifying, use the verb to clarify. To acknowledge receipt of the memo, you could also say, thank you for your attention to this matter. And for providing information, you could say, attached you may find the details of this request. These expressions help ensure clarity and professionalism. By applying these tips, you can craft memos that are clear, concise, and engaging. Remember, effective memos can save time and enhance communication within your organization. If you enjoyed this video, you may subscribe to watch the entire series of business writing, including videos on how to write business proposals, emails, reports, and many other educational videos to enhance your business English skills. Have a great day and see you next time.